Sunrise Boss Production.
Milk and milk and go down so fast. And them big head.
Peeps, you know, whatever. You know, feel super tomorrow. You know.
That shit don't have blood, drink
anyway.
it. I told me I want to hear something, but me tell her that, you know, brother. You're raw up this up.
I'm come see I go and clean up and cut up, you know.
See teeth, yeah. Original goated. Nah, laugh with them.
I laugh, man, laugh.
I want some goated soup.
Give me that
tomorrow. Yeah, man. So then I just try on the skin and all of that peeps. Some manish water. Just a goated soup. That's it, yeah. I goated that. Over here, so you know, some goat. Cut up already too, you know, see it there. So I just season. This for wash off and season. Yeah, drop.
Drop. Black nearly tear full of me here. Meet man go padina man.
See, eh? And the goat this, you know. Take it from out of the pan when I show you earlier on. So you know, so season up time, so I go cut up my onion and scallion and thyme all of that and chop on it. I don't do no blend up your seed cause I know only for meat me have a deal with. So I just cut up the onion and garlic, scallion, thyme, pepper and throw it over it. So when it a cook, it a fry up, you know, so all of them that fry up in it. Still I line up the soup stuff over here, so. Boss, cut off the goat ears a while ago, you know, man.
Years less.
You don't want to go already, you know, buddy.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, throw them in there.
Yeah, man. Goat a nice meat at Jamaica, man. Expensive, too.
You see this video, they get afraid of Jamaican, man.
Why do I get afraid of what? Too much cutting tool? Yeah, what? Yes.
Oh, mind the goat.
Which one of them?
Yeah, that.
This?
I'm holy. Why in there go?
Marrow man.
Where's the sitting there go cool?
I'm marrow ball out so.
Ja.
That's a good peeps.
Don't get damage.
Put them in there, sir. Yeah, man, boss, yeah. Put them in there bag up there, sir. Yeah, man. Me not left that. Boss, clean out when I feel in the head and then I chop it up fine also. Put in this and then you know, say, yo, this a bag up and put in the fridge. Wash off and put in the fridge for tomorrow. Right, might take out, man. Clean out.
Yeah, get blind, buddy. They make you both tell the same man that I get old, man.
Yeah, man, obviously, you know, so all I season them, so I make you see what I go use now too.
You know me right. I'm my boy. I'm saying all the way.
After that, look on them. No, them are work with some powder season, some onion, scallion, thyme. Then I'm going to use to put over the steaks.
1 to 4. Yeah, and then kill and turn food pan. I have to hold your spell it.
Finish chop up the goat head.
Money here, eh? What I mean?
So now start peel off me a little piece put over this. Yeah, you listen out the curry, me not get the curry. Fully active all of the time, though. Yeah, man, you know, say boss, they start go and clean out the chicken and cut it up. Or the goat head, this is done, chop up, you know, so you know. We soon ready to do some seasoning, yeah, man. See, seasoning them, curry, yeah, man, that's Jamaican curry, some scotch bonnet pepper. But me done clean off what type of seasoning I go use already. I just wash me need to wash them off, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, see the pan here. So when I pan look pretty, yeah man, wally per season. You don't know time, yeah man, in a real life. What this is the good old onion. Yeah man, ginger, make it curry nice, scotch bonnet pepper, make it curry hot. You know what I mean? Garlic, make the curry go taste nice. See there's some scallion too. You know what I mean? Yeah man, so I start some season up here now. Fat all chicken breast, you know, I fry them. I say, you know, you fry the wing separate, and like how the breast big, you can bust it. So them cut up in the pan. Yes, it's a good look, you know what I mean? So I just wait pan me now to finish with the board so I can wash it off and start cut up the seasoning them pan it. You know what I mean? So that's why I'm gonna start seasoning it. But look on the chicken breast. Fat! Yeah, man can cut this in around 3. Yeah. In a real life, yeah man, chicken breast fat and look good, man. Me nah go lie, peeps. The people them we raise a chicken and them well feed them in a real life. So just do remember subscribe to the channel, you know, man. Yeah man, 1 bag of curry, yeah. Real Jamaican curry, when this touchy curry goat and not normal. Yeah man, some jerk season, you know what I mean? Yeah man, in a real life. So you know, say over here, say you know them are chicken and I go jerk, you know, my peeps. Yeah man, I go jerk them here. I get some more tomorrow, but for night, you know, I just have them here, so I go season them, you know what I mean? Bust under the wing and stab them up. So when you jerk them, you know, say them jerk good. So see it there. Yeah man, so I line up for season them there, you know, some family there. In a real life, everybody just there run joke and I enjoy themselves though. Right now I'm just washing off all of the seasoning them to start cut them up, you know what I mean? Yeah man, cause I have to wash them off, you know. See that cutting board me I put them pan. So right now the next time you see them, everything cut up fine and mix up together so I can throw them over the meat. Subscribe to the channel now, man. Everything cut up fine now, so we have onion, garlic, scallion, thyme, pepper, ginger. You know what I mean? Yeah man, so we are going to throw all of them, you know, over the goat. Yeah, this is the goat. So me throw some ginger over it already. If you notice, you see some brown stuff. Yeah, them there the ginger. Make your curry goat nice. So I throw some rest of seasoning over it. Some onion, garlic, scallion, thyme, pepper, all of them there. And then you know so me I go through and throw the me powder season them. Yeah man, one of them named season to the bone. Yeah man. So you know so that I go season the goat to the bone, 10 finger licking good enough peeps. Yeah man, and the next one at the jerk season we have the pimento seed and everything. So I go put over it. For right now, I just go and store it up so the season I'm put in can go all about, you know what I mean? Yeah man, cause a Sunrise boss this man when we are cook food I feel nice, 10 finger licking good. When food nice, you eat more than one time in a real life. Subscribe to the channel, remember to tell a friend, season to the bone, the people them said I wanna name, you know. Yeah man. So I just throw it over it and then you know say I have to go rub it in same way because it named season to the bone. This are the jerk season in a real life. Yeah man, this are the jerk season. This make your meat. Anything you season up, you can put the jerk seasoning over it. Nice. See it there now? Yeah, you gotta rub it in. Yeah man, you gotta rub it in a seasoning and make sure you turn over the meat when you are seasoning because as you can see, the container is a nice size. We can hold the meat, but it could be bigger. Yeah, look at it now. Yeah, man, I done rub and season. Still, I got show some more season. And now the curry not go on yet, peeps. Yo, it look pretty down. Yeah, man, it's pretty and nice, looking lovely. So you know, say me, I go through you now and show the curry them. Yeah, so much curry, my boss. To be honest, me will count the curry them in a piece, but a whole heap of curry me throw up on the goat. I mean I use all of the bag of curry. Throw some pan it and then tomorrow when I cook the goat, I go also burn some. Yeah man, so I just go through you know and throw curry all over it and then store it. You know what I mean? So forget the curry all about your meat, you know so I need me 2 hand. So I just start throwing some curry, put down the camera and make a store. See the curry bag a drop. Yeah man, I try for all 3 of the boxes them in my hand one time and my hand wet so slide out. That's the least, you know what I mean? You just need to take it out and throw the rest of the curry left in the bag and do what I do now. Store it. So I go just put on the camera one side and rub in the curry peeps. So whenever I see about this a curry goat here, it go pretty. It go what? It's gonna pretty. Yeah man, so I go rub it in the seasoning now, so I have to put down the camera and then get a proper seasoning, then me make you see it now man. Subscribe to the channel now man. Look at this final touch pimento seed that you see. Look at that. That's the final touch my brothers and sisters. Well seasoned up, seasoned to the bone. Yeah man, Jamaican curry goat. So you know say goat done season up and all of that, so me have little season left in a say and you know so I throw that over a chicken where I go fry. So me have the chicken where I go fry for season up also. So I go line up for do that you know. Subscribe to the channel, the goat done. 1 pan of chicken, I think around 3 pan of chicken, me still have more. But as well I say, me don't season up everything one time. See through the chicken enough peeps, me part it so everything can get the seasoning and nice, you know what I mean? If you try to season too much one time in a small container, it's gonna happen where some of your chicken is seasoned and some do not season. You know what I mean? So I just season it up term by term. As what I say, throw over little over that. And same way like how I do the goat, you know what I go through and put the same season pan the chicken. Only thing I now put pan the chicken is the curry. Yeah, but see the jerk season all over the chicken. What me say? Jerk season all over the chicken peeps. And I have to go store it, you know what I mean? Put some season to the bone pan it also. In a real life. So just subscribe to the channel. You know what that I catchy? Season to the bone. Yeah man. So you know the routine. I have to put on the camera for rubbing the season right way, but I start it, I couldn't see, you know what I mean? Yeah man, you need to rub in the season in the meat when you go cook peeps in a real life. You need to do that. Now just throw a season pan the top and say your meat season. No, you gotta rub it in, turn them over. Yeah, you gotta deal with the meat like when you need flour. You know when I need flour, yeah, whenever you throw the season over the meat, that's all you gotta deal with it, please. But look on it, man, take time I catch. When I say it I catch, me mean take time season I go over a whole height. But I have to put season upon it again still, you know what I mean? Because as you notice, upon the top me they put it. Yeah man, look at that. Final touch that, you know. Pretty. Subscribe for that, no man. Pretty. For the first time you watch and see them and chicken when them season up, just subscribe, no man. You know, it's a good channel you watch. In a real life, it's pretty. So do the right thing. Subscribe to the channel, see them still have more chicken in that for season up. So them wanna up here, so you know we season up already. I go throw them in a bag so I can get the container to do some more season up. In a real life, remember, tell a friend for tell a friend, you know what I mean? And also if you want to donate a little thing, you can check the description. You don't know, the cash app is there, fully active. Yes, look at that, peeps. Pretty. Look at that, peeps. Pretty. Yeah man, them I go French fry, yardman style. Flour them and fry them in a deep pot with some oil. That is it. Yeah man, see it them one have to jerk, so I have them left to season up. After I done season up the fried chicken them. Actually, I done season the fried chicken them, so I gonna start season the jerk chicken them. And now tomorrow I get some more chicken for jerk and some more season, you know what I mean? So right now I just go through and throw out them here, cause them here done season up already. See it there? Yeah man, throw them out so I can get the container for season up me jerk chicken. Subscribe to the channel, fully active. Look at this, jerk chicken season up and ready to jerk. Same way like how I season up the fried chicken, and the same way I season up the jerk chicken. So right now the jerk chicken season up and ready to jerk. You know what I mean? So